I am Pakistani and watching Mr. Pakistan. After this video, I will reach you what is inside this monitor. So this video is too late since I will starting from the bigger project which is known as CRT TV or monitor. In this case, this is a CRT monitor which is I already opened for time saving purpose. Time saving. Which is I opened this through already for time saving. This is LG model T736 ALEUA monitor, which is a CRT monitor. I already opened now CRT TV in the past. That time I don't have the channel, but right now I open CRT. Now I flip the monitor in the opposite monitor. It's a monitor first. Do not have any electrical experience, never try anything repairing, especially this type of it contain high voltage or never worked to repair. So this is a working monitor. It's old. I am thinking to make oscilloscope due to it is a dangerous thing. I'll first little bit planning I do it or not because it is a little bit dangerous. This is a VGA tables which connects RGB in the CRT baseboard. This is known as a CRT baseboard and main motherboard. This is IHC, which is a very dangerous component in the electronics, especially this also contained with TV, CRT or any other CRT monitor. And this is an anode tap which is connected to this EHD underneath since this EHD is fixed to proper adhesive. So if safety thing is that there is a metal mesh around the screen which connected are drowned with by air and several ways. And actually before removing the plug, this the metal mesh and is connected to the alligator clip another and connects to the touching by a flathead screwdriver which is a totally isolated to discharge this EHD tap which is contain high voltage which is written in air which is off condition. This EHD app inbuilt capacitors, so it will overcharge like a 50 kilovolt charge after 1 or 2 days after powering. That's why always removing this plug or anything doing to discharge this tap. In my case, I do not discharge tap since I turn off this with more than a week. This time it was quite big. It is difficult to manage. This is let me hold this string because this string is falling. This is the tolling tile which is turned on for only 1 second when monitor is turned on or TV is turned on. This is also fine with TV or monitor same. This is your tile where the horizontal or vertical tiles which opposite magnetic field meaning X and Y axis depending on the picture. So this is the D electron done underneath here which produce beam of light which scattering the screen, and these two tiles move the horizontally or vertically the beam in order to take the picture back and forth, which is controlled by this jack. And there is a main processor underneath there, main IC along with EPROM which is here. And this time I cannot disassemble this since I will try a couple of experiments. This is the main filter capacitor, and there is a main HFPS transformer, and there is a MOSFET and some ICs. One IC which is driving the MOSFET, and there is some basic components. It is a little bit difficult to make a video since I cannot fully disassemble right now, but I will try a little bit experiment after I disassembling this all, but a little bit I explain without removing. These are jack line filter tile, which is a EMI filter tile, capacitor, fuse, and just like the regular power supply. And this is a ETC, which is job to first give power to this tile, which is known as a detonating tile. Once it's turned on, couple of time, which is definitely stably paint, then it's shut off the power since we cannot need any more detonating tile power to the Tolkien tile. It is only just for first time when any appliance like the TV or CRT is turned on, TV or CRT monitor is turned on, it will first set the pixel by powering these two wires to this tile. And this rectifier in here which rectify AC DC. Then this is a DC 400 volt capacitor which also holds the charge. After removing the opening and removing, make sure this capacitor is discharged. And this is a MOSFET which driven by the PWM IC drive. This is MOSFET number or component layout circuit diagram I later explain. This is a SMPS transformer which puts high voltage in and converts low voltage light 12 volt, 24 volt, 110 volt. 110 volts is driven by this horizontal transistor which is a powerful transistor. This transistor drives this EHT, and 24 volt supplied and drive here somewhere here in the voltage IC which drive voltage deflection tile which is one tile in the air, and EHT also drive the horizontal tile plus display also with one connector there. And normal flybacks have three connections: HV, screen, grid. So these are four wires: HV and one screen, two grid, which are connected to CRT. White, grey, and red, which is connected to a CRT baseboard over here. And there is the main processor along with EPROM, and there's an input connector which connects the sensor panel, and this is one ground in there, two ground earthing points here, and two earthing points behind this, and one earthing point behind this stays, and one earthing wire is this, which is top earthing metal to down metal mesh, which I already removed for removing the motherboard out. This is a relay which is soft start. There is a MOSFET, which is three MOSFETs, which I don't know which is what right now, but later further open may know. There is some resistor and capacitor inductors which drive the EHT in comparison with this power transistor. And this is horizontal voltage tiles wires, red and blue wires from horizontal tile, yellow and orange wires voltage. This is not fixed, but most of the case it will fixed in, but otherwise it's not. And this is one extra ground which is floating open, it is not connected. It may be used when removing this discharge tap. It will bridge the screwdriver which is totally and place inside this tap or this mesh strip, which is also going to ground the heavy point of the circuit, which will also clamp and carefully discharge this if we want to remove this component. Otherwise it's not necessary. Now I remove the three screws, one here, and one here somewhere here, and I remove these grounds, which is one is there and one is top already. I remove, I just mentioned this one and other base back. Now I flip the picture tube, and this time board might become out. Flip the picture tube. This time it is little bit quite bulky, so and also made of glass, totally glass. So it is difficult, quite difficult to manage. I think there's a clips which hold this PCB. PCB is out. These are slots which holds the PCB. And now this video is end with the next part in the tomorrow. And after I perform experiment maybe or something try else once pass.